Alabama Republican Governor Kay Ivey recently spoke out to encourage vaccination, and even the commentators on facts who have been belittling this for a long time, and even the commentators on facts who have been, and even the commentators on facts who...
You know, you're supposed to cough into your elbow.
It's time to impose requirements on key groups to make sure they're vaccinated. Excuse me.
You know, you're supposed to cough into your elbow. I don't know, sir. I learned that actually covering your White House.
Actually, that's true, but fortunately I'm alone in my home, but that's okay.